The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Marhay na hapon, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball enthusiasts. It's our third game for this afternoon. A very expected match. The NCF Tigers, the defending champion, and the Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon. I'm Aljon Pogoy, and with me is Christine Reyes, at kami po ang makakasama ninyo sa tapatan ng NCF Tigers at ACC.
Ayan nga, Aljon. Of course, it's the Annunciation Panthers versus the NCF Tigers. We are still live here at the ATENEO Dinaga University Gymnasium. Of course, live na live po tayo sa ating Facebook pages na Bucal at One Media TV 48 Naga as well as the Oragon Sports TV. Isa pong kaabang-abang po na laro ang mapapanood natin ngayong hapon. Pero balikan lang po natin yung naging second game po natin. It's the STI Olympians versus the Shepherdville Rams, kung saan nga dinomina ng Shepherdville Rams ang laban na yon against the STI Olympians.
Talaga namang actually yung kaninang laban, yung dalawang laban, talagang magagaling. Although may mananalo talaga at matatalo. But what really matters is they fought and they fight.
Ayan nga, Aljon, alam ko yung mga basketball fans natin ngayon, nagkaharap sila ng napakagandang laban. And I think the ACC or the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers will give you that. And of course, we are really thankful for all the live viewers here at the ATENEO Dinaga University Gymnasium na talaga namang grabe ang suporta sa ating dalawang kupunan today.
So, Tin, balikan lang natin yung mga successes ng dalawang teams na ito. First is the ACC Panthers. They already had 2 wins and 0 losses. What a great start for this season. Talaga namang they set the standards high with not having a loss.
Yes. And napakaganda nga yan para sa ating Annunciation Panthers as well as dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Dahil nga, this would be the second time na makikita natin ang NCF Tigers. Dahil nga, last time, yung first time nilang sumalang dito sa Bucal Season 5, they've got a win against the Shepherdville Rams. It's 81 against 68.
So talagang magandang tapatan ito. 2 wins and 1 win on the other
Yes.
team. So titingnan natin kung madadala ba ng defending champions ang kanilang confidence, or will the ACC Panthers will reign in this afternoon?
And you know what, Aljon? These are the two teams na talaga namang inaabangan ng mga tao because of their skills in terms of basketball. And I'm really excited kung ano ba ang ipapakita nila ngayon. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Tin and Aljon. We are now live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium because Bucal Season 5 is finally back after weeks of rest, featuring the Annunciation Panthers versus NCF Tigers Seniors Division. I am Rain Reyes, the court side of the Panthers for this game. This is their third game this season, and so far, the Panthers have 2 victories and 0 defeat. According to Coach Ron, their adjustments have been about turnovers because it was their weakness during the previous games. Their battle up against NCF Tigers are the most anticipated match because aside from the fact that the Tigers is the defending champion, their opponent today is... Will the Panthers be able to do so? Yan ang ating abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48.
Thank you so much, Rain. I think the ACC Panthers will do so.
Yes. They are really ready. Sabi nga ni Rain na it was 2 weeks of preparation para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Of course, galing pa sila sa panalo. So this would be a great avenue again for the Annunciation na talunin o magpakitang gilas against the NCF Tigers.
That's routine.
Ayan nga, para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tina and Alton. Good afternoon, Bacolandia, and to all the basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the 4th week of Bucal Season 5 Juniors and Seniors Division. I am Kyla Casuya, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. For their second game this season, the Tigers are ready to get their second win. According to Coach Momo, one of their adjustment for this game is their defense. Pinag-aralan din nila ng mabuti ang laro ng kalaban, which is the Panthers. And as I interviewed team captain Malyapre, he told me that he always reminds his teammates to always be humble, at pag pinasok sa loob ng court, they should always give their all. And for this game, we can expect that we will see our roaring Tigers fighting for their title and proving that they are the defending champion. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Tina and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So Coach Momo not only focus on their defense, but as well the plays of their opponent today. Kasi naman, talaga pag pinag-aralan mo talagang isang player, the team will be able to set a play not knowing their opponent will do, right? So,
Yes.
I think mas ready ngayon ng NCF Tigers kasi pinag-aralan talaga nila. And also, titingnan natin kung anong klaseng depensa ang mapapakita nila. And as for their team captain, Malyapre, be humble. I think that's the bottom line of
Yes.
playing. Always be humble, right?
It's the attitude before skills.
That's
Yan
true.
nga ang line ng ating NCF Tigers. And now, we are starting the first quarter with the Annunciation Panthers.
And the first point for the ACC.
It's the Annunciation Panthers. Now, ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Sablahon. May hawak kayo ng bola. Nahihirapan ito with the defense of the Annunciation. Now, passes to Ariate. Ariate may hawak ng bola ngayon. A steal from the Panthers.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers, 4-3. No good.
Rebound of Malyapre, team captain of the NCF Tigers. Now Ariate. Finding his teammates. But still, ball possession yan ng ating Tigers. Now Ariate to inbound. We're just starting. Medyo nagkakainitin na agad. This is the most awaited matchup for today. It's the NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers. Again, Ariate to inbound. Sablon ngayon may hawak ng bola. What will he do? Tries for 3. No good.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers.
The best communication. Medyo napalakas doon yung pasa.
That's true. Sayang ang bolang yon.
But still on the lead ang ating Panthers. It's 2-0, nothing run. Now, ball possession of the Tigers. Ariate again to inbound. Katamora. Nahihirapan dito. On the corner to Sablaon. Papasok sa loob. Katamora again on the deep 3. In and out.
Defensive rebound. Fajardo. Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Sayang ang pasa na yon.
Yes. Medyo nahihirapan sa pagpasa itong ating Panthers. Best communication on their side. Now, Katamora. Ball possession of the Tigers. Didiretso sa loob. No good.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Fajardo may dala ng bola for 3. That's good!
Now, Ariate. Tatawid ng bola dito. Didiretso sa loob. Wala pa rin.
And a good steal there. Fajardo may dala ng bola. Bostillo. Sayang di pumasok.
Grabe yung offense at depensa ng dalawang koponan na ito. This would be a really good game.
Bostillo to shoot. No good for his first free throw.
He will try again for the second time.
And that's good.
Now, chance for the Tigers to get a point here. Sablaon. Passes to Katamora. Katamora. Dumalya pre. Papasok sa loob at layup. No good.
good. And a steal for Tigers.
Ariate jump shot. First ball point of the Tigers here.
Fajardo. No good.
Grabe yung mga katawan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ariate. But there was a foul called here on the side of the Panthers. Ariate will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Of course, dyan pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Huya Out There Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal region, SM Sirinaga, NCF Training Pool at NCF Driving School. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa ating big sponsors, we have the Elise Sportswear, the Beg's Diner, and we have Ayanas. Thank you so much po. So Ariate is on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good for that first attempt. Now, we will try again for the second time. That's good.
Salvacion to inbound. Salvacion. No good for Panthers.
Now, Ariate, nagmamadali para sa Tigers. A layup was good.
Salvacion may dala ng bola. Bustillo.
Yan.
And that's good.
Yes, bawian na ng puntos dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Agad na rin ating passes to Katamora. Nagmamadali dito ang Tigers. Katamora.
And a good block coming from Salvacion.
Yes, wow. What a great matchup between these two teams. But still, ball possession to ng ating NCF Tigers. Ariata again to inbound. Katamora. Given to Malyapre. Malyapre, anong gagawin dito? Given on the corner for 3. No good.
Salvacion may dala ng bola. And an open shot.
Yes, libreng-libre sa loob.
For Sabio.
Now, Malyapre. A 5-point lead by the Panthers here. Didiretso sa loob. Wow, what a great layup.
Manlapas may dala ng bola. Salvacion. Tries. That's good.
Another point coming from Sabio here. Now, Malyapre. Jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound of the Tigers. Masinas ngayon, tries for second time. No good pa rin.
Bola ngayon. Sabio may dala ng bola. A pass. And that's good.
Wow.
What a move.
What a great performance coming from the Panthers here. Mukhang nahihirapan ang NCF Tigers to get their momentum here. Now, Malyapre, team captain. Passes to Masinas. Masinas. No good.
Salvacion. No good.
Now, Ariate. Didiretso sa loob. Wow. Grabe tong dalawang kupunan na to, Aljon. Ready for this matchup.
And also, ang bilis din ng bola. Ang bilis ng transition. Fajardo may dala ng bola. And not traveling.
Yes, so traveling violation was committed on
For
the side.
Sabio.
It's 9:14. 4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining po sa ating first quarter. Ayan, napakainit na first quarter po agad ang ating nasilayan. Now, Ariate again to inbound. Masinas. To Ariate. You can see the determination in their faces right now. Now, Katamora again. Nahihirapan dito ang magpasa. Masinas. What will they do? Wala pa rin. There was a foul committed here. It's 9:14 with 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Ariate again.
And we're seeing some
Substitute by
substitution
Guales. Yes.
on the side of the Tigers.
Papasok na dito ang ilang players ng NCF to contribute a play here for our first quarter. Guades, pass to Gabito. Sablaon, munti ka na mawala ang bola. Sablaon. A fadeaway shot,
No
no
good.
good.
Fajardo got it. Calpo to pass Salvacion.
Ooh, a
Another
miscommunication.
miscue for Panthers.
Now, Guades to inbound. Given to Gabito. Guades ngayon. Passes to Katamora. Katamora will try to go inside. Gabito. Ooh!
A loose ball. No good. And that's good.
Yes.
Calpo.
Yes, nandiyan si Calpo to get that second attempt for the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Montalvo to Katamora. That's good.
Fajardo for 3. That's good!
Wow. Napakaganda ng ipinapakitang performance ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's see kung ano pa nga ba dito sa side ng ating Tigers. Now, Guades. Didiretso sa loob. That's good! There's no an issue with that height advantage.
Calpo, may dala ng bola. Fajardo. Back to Fajardo for 3. No good.
Offensive rebound.
Calpo. No good again.
No, Tigers. Gabito. That's good. Napatawag na nga ng timeout. Tumawag na nga dito ng timeout. It's 15-19 with 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Wow, Aljo, napakaganda ng pagpasok sa ating first quarter.
Speaking of napakaganda, ang bilis din ng transition ng bola
Yes.
from one side to another. Talaga namang bakbakan dito. Shooting kong shooting, defense kong defense.
But you know what, Aljon? I can really feel a different aura on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So I'm really excited kung ano pa yung maipapakita nila dito. Kasi super solid, super grabe, napakaganda ng transition and communication on their side.
And also, I like their defense. Talagang hindi nila
Yes.
binibitawan kung sino ang may dala ng bola sa NCF. Talagang pinahihirapan nila. Talagang nakaka-penetrate sila in terms of their defense.
But on the side of the NCF, we can really see their determination to win this game against the Panthers. So let's see if they can get that 4-point lead against the Annunciation Panthers here. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Now, we are back on the ball game with so much tension between these two teams. Now, Panthers, ball possession.
Batos, may dala ng bola. An
Ooh.
attempt, no good.
Natawagan na nga dyan ng foul. Si Montalvo. So Calpo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Calpo for free throw. That's good.
Now, Tigers have the chance to get closer with the Panthers. Montalvo.
Napitawan
bounds.
ang bola.
Yes. And ball possession again of the Panthers. Matos.
No good. Rebound, nakuha ng Panthers. No good again.
Now, Sablaon, nagmamadali dito. Passes to Guades. Guades strikes for 3. No good. But still, ball possession yan ng ating Tigers.
Foul was called on Peregrino for Panthers.
Now, Guades to inbound. Guades. Passes to Laresma. Medyo nahihirapan sa depensa ng Panthers. Now, a steal by the Panthers.
Matos, nadala ng bola. And that's good.
Grabe.
A small but terrible Matos.
Yes, the team captain of the Panthers here are making a noise. Now, Laresma. Oh, still
Matos
again!
again. May dala ng bola. 4-3. And that's good!
Wow!
Calpo.
Grabe, napakainit ng Panthers ngayon. Mukhang nanggigigil na ata ang ating NCF Tigers. An 11-point lead was recorded now for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. But Gabito will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. I can see frustrations in the faces of the NCF Tigers
And
players.
also the tension team.
Yes. But still, this is the first quarter. Meron ba tayong second and third and fourth? There will still be a time for the Tigers to show off their skills here. Now for the second time for Gabito, that's good.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers.
Ball possession pa rin yan ng Panthers.
Matos. And at traveling.
Now, ball possession of the Tigers, Guades. Laresma with 26 seconds remaining. A steal. Pero nga may foul dyan na naitawag. 24 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now ball possession again.
Ball possession
One ball
ngayon ng Panthers.
possession. Yes, ng Panthers dito.
Calpo to inbound. Matos signaling for a play. Pass to Peregrino. Matos again. 4-3. No good.
Now, nagbabalik dito ang Tigers. Layosa may hawak ng bola. Now, oh! Hindi na nga nakaabot yan. 16-26 at 10-point lead coming from Annunciation Panthers para sa ating first quarter. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter na puno ng aksyon. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium, live on our live stream, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, Bucal, and our YouTube channel, One Media TV 48 Naga.
Ayan nga, sa pagpasok natin sa second quarter at 10-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Now, ball possession again ng ating Panthers.
Calpo. No good.
Now, Ariate. Trying to get a point here. They're taking their time. Now, Ariate. Kanino ba ipapasa? Pero mapupunta ang bola sa Panthers without out of bounds. Galing sa Tigers.
Matos to inbound. Balik kay Matos ang bola. Salvacion. Pasa kay Matos. And that's good!
Grabe! Napakaliit itong si Matos pero kayang pumasok sa
He
loob
was
at big man
able
of the
to
Tigers.
see that spot.
Now let's see Ariate. Give it to Palahe. A good jump shot coming from him.
Calpo. No good.
Nagmamadali dito Tigers, Ariate. Pass to Fernandez. Fernandez. Na nagkakagawa ng bola. Palahe still there. For a jump shot, no good. Still, ball possession yan ngayon ng NCF Tigers. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Alton. We are now on the second quarter of this game. And for this quarter, they are reminded by Coach Mama to harden their defense against the Panthers. The coaches are emphasizing that they should strengthen their offense, most especially their offense this quarter, dahil lamang na nga ang Panthers dito. Makabawi pa kaya ang Tigers for this quarter? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan. Ito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Adjon and Tin.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kyla, for that. So Coach Momo reminded his team to focus on their offense since lamang nga ngayon ang Panthers and also on their defense kasi magagaling ang shooting ngayon ng Panthers.
Yes. Now, lead coming from the Panthers, Matos. Ayan nga. Grabe na yung puntos dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from this side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. The players of the Panthers are always reminded to pressure the opponent when defending. Lessen turnovers because the more turnovers are done, the more the opponent are able to catch up to their score, and always observe and switch up screens if needed. After their timeout, the Panthers have effectively reduced their turnovers, resulting them to win the first quarter. So far, they were advised to maintain their offense plays. The Panthers once again came in confident and had their cards dealt with. But of course, the next quarter can't be the same story. Kaya naman patuloy natin subaybayan kung ano pang mangyayari sa larong ito. Yan muna sa ngayon. Back to you, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Rain. So the Panthers will focus on their offense, especially putting pressure on the Tigers. And I think they're very effective on that kasi nakikita ko na medyo pressure na dito ang NCF Tigers and really nagsashuffle na sila ng players kung sino ba ang magkakaroon ng spark plug sa kanila to really get ahead against the Panthers.
Yes, we can see it on their faces now with that 10-point lead of the Panthers. Palahe, no good for that free throw. Still, ball possession of the NCF. Malyapre, a good pass. But, yun nga, hindi nakita dito. There's a miscommunication on their side. Papasok na muli dito sa Sablaon para sa NCF Tigers.
Salvacion, may dala ng bola. A wrong pass. Calpo to inbound. Fajardo, may dala ng bola for 3. No good.
Offensive rebound.
And that's good for Calpo.
Grabe tong Panthers na to. They're really striving so hard for the second quarter to get that 12-point lead against the defending champion NCF Tigers na ngayon medyo nahihirapan pa rin to find their rhythm. Ayan. Again, basket counts. May kasama pang foul yan. Pero bago Aljon, syempre shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating live viewers. Hello kay Duran Herwell Nelson at kay Chervy Lagueras. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-antabay sa ating third match. Again, Palahe. That's good.
Panthers to inbound. Calpo, may dala ng bola. No good.
Now, Malia pre nagmamadali. Sablaon. The layup. That's good.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Salvacion. Pass to Fajardo.
Seven seconds. Oh, a steal from the Tigers. Ariate. Another steal. Back-to-back steal from these two teams. Pero still, it will be on the side of the Panthers.
Another substitution on the side of the Tigers.
No. They're requesting
For a review.
yes. But as you can see now, Aljon, papuno na po ang ating ATENEO Dinaga University Gymnasium with this matchup against the NCF Tigers and the Annunciation Panthers. Kaya naman, batiin po natin naman ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa Bucal Facebook page. Hello kay Aljon Guanizo, LSC at kay Yana Del Monte. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-antabay. Abangan nyo po mamaya, it's the UNC Greyhounds versus the USI Falcons Juniors basketball for our last game.
And also, I'd like also to shout out the students here who came from their classes. Kasi ang alam ko, Saturday may classes pa din.
Yes.
But I see some students here supporting their respective schools. So thank you very much for your support.
Yes, of course. With all the supporters of the NCF and the Annunciation here today, mas nakakadagdag yan sa excitement ng mga manonood. Dahil nga grabe na yung tension dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And we can see that the Tigers are really determined to get a point here. Dahil nga kanina medyo nahihirapan pa sila sa kung paano nila gagawin yung kanilang mga tira. Pero on the side of the Annunciation, grabe, napakaganda nung kanilang plays ngayong araw na ito. So that
It
would
was
be
unsuccessful,
yes.
Tien.
Now, Panthers has only 17 seconds to get a play. Now, Panthers.
Balik kay Calpo ang bola for 3. No good.
Masinas ngayon.
And a
And-
steal for Salvacion. And that's good.
Grabe. Now, Arayate to inbound. Ang dami ng violation dito ng ating NCF Tigers. So, possession of the Panthers.
Fajardo for 3. No good.
No good for that third time. Malyapre. Ooh.
Outside. Even their passing team.
Yes. Grabe.
NCF have to really find the rhythm for second quarter because Panthers are trying to pull away.
Yun, ang daming opportunity nawawala dito sa NCF Tigers with a lot of turnovers as well as violations. Now Salvacion will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. (26-35). That's good for his first attempt.
Salvacion to free throw. That's good.
Now, Guades babalik dito para sa Tigers. Brito pass to Malyapre. Malyapre didiretso. But there was a foul called on the side of the Panthers.
Fajardo got that foul.
So Malyapre, the team captain of the Tigers, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. That's good for his first attempt. Of course, shoutout tayo dito kay Afidel Lorete at kay John Gerard Condesion na sumusuporta din sa ating mga players. That's good for his second attempt.
And a foul
Yan.
called for Calpo.
Yan, sunod-sunod na foul nga na itawag dito sa side ng Panthers. Of course, we would like to thank all the live viewers on the Bucal and One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV na grabe yung suporta sa atin ngayong araw na
And
ito.
also, Tin, thank you for watching to our YouTube live stream kasi meron din tayong mga viewers
Yes.
on YouTube.
Of course, habang nagre-review pa ang ating mga referees, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, Gold Glopa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Anchada Trading, presyong maasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEG Premium sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings.
We also like to thank Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCF Tea Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal region, SM City Naga, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Driving School.
Now the referees are discussing with the players. With 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Now, Malyapre will be on the free throw line. No good for that first attempt.
A wasted opportunity for Malyapre.
He will again try for the second time. That's good. Yan na nga, napatawag na nga ng timeout si Coach Momo. It's 29-37 in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO live on Dragon Sports TV, Bucal, Facebook, and YouTube channel of One Media TV 48 Naga.
Now, ball possession of the Tigers. Squad has to inbound. Nagano dito ng papasahan. Malya pre. The tries for a 3. No good. Now, Calpo.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Pass to Pajardo. Pajardo may dala ng bola.
Yun nga, napatawag na tama. Dito ang Annunciation Panthers. 2 seconds na lamang on the shot clock for the side of the Panthers here. 29-37 with 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Kanina nga pinag-uusapan natin, Aljon, na we think that the NCF feel pressured now. Kasi napakaganda naman talaga ng pinapakitang performance dito ng ating Panthers.
And also, palitan tayo dito ng timeout. And talaga namang titingnan natin kung ano mga adjustments na gagawin nila. So, we expect later kung ano ba ang palitan na gagawin nila for this second quarter.
Ayun na nga, Aljon. Let's see kung ano nga ba pa makapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito as we are now back on the ball game for our second quarter. 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. 29-37. An 8-point lead on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Panthers to inbound. An attempt. No good.
Masiras a steal by Calpo. A back-to-back turnover here. Masiras. Pass to Brito. Brito tries for a 3. No good.
Nakuha ni Fajardo yung bola. Salvacion. No good.
Wala pa rin dito. Malya pre. Secure the ball here. Brito. Passes to Sablaon. Now, Masinas. Sablaon tries for a 3. No good again. Panthers.
Fajardo to pass the ball. Bastilio.
Will stay on the side of the Panthers.
And that's good for Salvacion.
Now Godes. To Brito. But there was a foul called here.
Bastilio was foul.
Yes. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Brito will be on the free throw line. Yun nga, naitawag nga dito kay Bustillos ang foul na iyon. Katamora will go inside again for the side of the NCF Tigers. Brito for his first attempt. That's good. Pero shoutout muna tayo dito kay Antoinette Bejerano Arienda at kay Kyle Hanoras. Pati na rin kay Carl Francis Pante at Simon De Fiesta. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now ball possession of the Panthers.
Bastilio may dala ng bola. Salvacion. Pasa kay Fajardo. And
Wow!
that's good for Calpo.
Another 3 for the side of the Panthers. Pero there will still be a review
A challenge,
Yes.
I think, was called.
I think they're telling that it was just a 2 points.
Yes, and they're arguing if that will be counted for 3 points or 2.
Yes, let's see. It's 31-42.
We'll see if the challenge will be successful for the Panthers.
Grabe na yung tension sa dalawang kuponan na ito. But still, the NCF Tigers, hindi pa rin sila nakakakuha ng momentum for this matchup against the Panthers. It's always an 8-point lead, a 10-point lead. So yung kailangan dito ng Tigers is consistency as well as their offense and defense.
And they have to really do their best. And talagang kapitan nila ang Panthers kasi knowing Panthers, they have a skills
Yes.
to pull away and win a match.
Napakaganda kasi nung simula dito sa Panthers. Nakuha agad nila yung momentum for this matchup.
And I think one of their advantage is their speed in
Yes.
terms of playing basketball. And having that kind of speed, talaga namang mapapagod ang opponent nila and
Yes.
mapipressure.
And I think na-feel din ng Annunciation Panthers yung frustration dito sa side ng NCF
That's
Tigers.
true.
And that's what they want to see.
And also on the side naman of the Tigers, they have a morale booster, which is their supporters, and they really have to get those kind of morale boosters from the supporters.
They just need to be calm and talagang do their best. Because we're just on the second quarter of this matchup. Ang dami pang mangyayari. Sabi nga nila, bilog ang bola.
And we're just waiting for the result of the challenge called by Panthers.
While waiting for the decision of the referees, magbabalik po kami for more actions only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back here live at the ATENEO Dinaga GYMNASIUM. We're still waiting for the results of the challenge. It's quite too long, Teen.
Yes.
Talagang nire-review nila.
Yeah, we can really feel the tension between these two teams. Pero bago yan, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the
Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience, Home Living, Anjana Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMake Premium. Sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang pagkita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
Of course, we have the Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayan Travel and Tours, Nagayan Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Julia Outer Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe, located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, First World-Class Indoor Firing Range and Bucal Region, SM City Naga, NCF Driving Pool, and NCF Driving School. Still, we are waiting on the challenge. 31-42 with 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Natawagan na nga ng technical foul dito si Calpo. And then sportsmanship. And that's it. Calpo will be out on the court. We can see the frustration in his eyes and face. So Calpo, one of the important players of the Panthers, will be out.
Yes, Tin. I think that would be a huge loss on the side of the Panthers.
Yes.
And we'll see on how NCF Tigers will take advantage on that.
Now, that's good for the free throw of Brito. Now, ball possession ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. But still, there's a discussion here. Calpo will go out now.
Yes, Tin. He will be out of the court.
No. Guades. Tomasinas. Tigers are taking their time here. Brito. Pero a foul was called here. Yes, natawagan nga ng offensive foul dito si Brito. So ball possession again of the Panthers.
Inbound ball ng Panthers. Sabio to inbound. Balik kay Sabio.
The ball will stay on the Panthers.
Fajardo. May dala ng bola. He'll lose it.
No, Katamora. Pero natawagan na nga dyan ng foul. So a 2-point opportunity for Katamora was given.
Manlapas was fouled. So napapadami na dito ang foul ng Panthers.
Yes. But still they are on the lead. No good for that first attempt.
and Tigers should have to take advantage.
No good.
Fajardo may dala ng bola. Sabio.
Munti ka nang mawala doon.
No good.
No. Guades nagmamadali. Malia pre. With that layup, wala pa rin.
No good.
Grabe, sayang yun. Again, Sablaon will enter on the side of the NCF Tigers. Ball possession of the Panthers here.
Salvacion may dala ng bola. Sabio, no good.
No, Malia pre. Si Sablaon. Katamora, hanapin si Malia pre. Didiretso sa loob. Wala pa rin. And it will go on the side of the Panthers. Ang daming opportunity dito ng NCF Tigers pero hindi pa rin pumapasok ang kanilang mga puntos.
Panthers to inbound. Manlapas is really struggling to lose the ball.
Now, wala pa rin! But offensive rebound by Montalvo. Montalvo again, no good.
Nakuha ni Fajardo ang bola. Manlapas, may dala ng bola.
Again, steal from the Tigers. Sablaon on the inside. Second attempt. That's good this time.
Salvacion may dala ng bola. Pass to Sabio. Salvacion.
And that will be the ball possession of the Tigers.
And a timeout called by the NCF Tigers. 32 against 42. 1 minute and 22 seconds for our second quarter. Magbabalik po kami only here at Dragon Sports TV. Digan ng mga kampiyon.
We are back again here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers against the NC Tigers. Lamang nga po dito ang ating Panthers. It's 34-42 with 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Now Malyapre with the ball. Guades taking their time here. Now Guades, a steal on the Panthers.
Pass for Salvacion. No good. And that's good.
Yes. With that second attempt on the side of the Panthers. Now Guades passes to Malyapre. Sablaon. But there was a foul called here. So a 2-point opportunity was given to Sablon, one of the key players of the NCF
Another
Tigers.
foul team on the side of Panthers. Madami-dami na nga ang nakukuhang foul ngayon ng Panthers. And they have to be careful on committing fouls.
Now, shout out muna tayo dito kay Johnny Butak at Maris Alianza. Thank you po sa inyong pagsuporta. Now, Sablon is still on the free throw line to take his second attempt. 35-44 with 41 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. That's good.
Matos. And that's good.
Wow.
Again. Matos.
There will be a 3-point opportunity para dito sa team captain ng Panthers na si Matos. 38 seconds remaining. Matos will be on the free throw line for that one shot. That's good. Now, ball possession of the Tigers. Montalvo, may hawak ng bola. Didiretso sa loob.
No good.
Pero may foul na naitawag dyan. Yes, nasa penalty
Salvacion
na
team.
ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Another foul for the Panthers.
Montalvo on the free throw line. Pero shoutout muna dito kay Kyle Hanoras at Justin Yumer Aquino. Thank you so much po nanood ngayon sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Montalvo will try again for the second time. That's good.
Ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. No good for Panthers.
Katamora was there to rebound. Montalvo nagmamadali. That's good. 16 seconds remaining.
Almenye, no good.
Yan, may foul pa ngang naitawag. 9 seconds remaining para matapos ang ating first half.
Almenye to free throw.
That's good. Pag pumasok pa itong isang free throw ni Alminya, babalik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Annunciation Panthers. No good. Offensive rebound of the Panthers.
Salvacion. No good. And that's good.
That's it. Diyan na nga po nagtapos ang ating first half. It's 39-50, an 11-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Magbabalik po kami. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Ipista ba? BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium, live on our live streams. And welcome back for our third quarter.
Now, that's good for the Tigers. Naibaba na nila sa siyam ang kalamangan ng Panthers.
Fajardo, may dala ng bola. Balik kay Salvacion. Matos. For 3. No good.
No. Rebound by Catamora. Passes to Sablaon. Sablaon didiretso sa loob and that layup. No good.
Nakuha yan ng Panthers. Matos. Capio to inbound. Almeñe. Pass to Matos. Salvacion. Another 3 for Matos. No good.
No. Rebound dito ni Montalvo. Given to Sablaon. Munti ka na mawala ang bola. Ariate, hahanapin muli si Sablaon. Pass to Catamora. 10 seconds to shoot for the Tigers. Ariate, no good.
Nakuha ni Matos ang bola. Sabio.
No. Still ball possession of the Panthers here. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Tin and Aljon. During the second quarter timeout in the first 5 minutes, they were reminded to apply man-to-man defense once the ball is in the hand of the opponents. Always be mindful of the positions and screens being instructed to them and look for the open, where they have the most opportunity to shoot and score. During the last 3 minutes, things got heated up and jersey number 77 of the Panthers was assessed with a technical foul and was unable to play. But despite this, Coach Ron reminded them to not waste their efforts they have been exerting since the first quarter. Their captain Matos also told them to sacrifice and double their efforts because as of now, the Panthers ended the second quarter with the 11-point leads. Will the Panthers continue to dominate this game? That's it for now. Back to you, Tina and Alvin.
We'll see about that later, Rain, if they can win this match. But according to their coach, he emphasized on the man-to-man defense in their ball possession and shoot the ball if there's always an opportunity. So titingnan natin talaga kung makaka-pull away ang Panthers dito sa third quarter against sa NCF.
Ayan nga, John, para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. We are now on the third quarter of this game. Coach Mama continuously reminding them to bounce back this quarter and to focus on this game para mapasa kanila na ang kalamangan this quarter. They need to have a good communication for this quarter for a good ball rotation. Kailangan pa ng mas matatag na opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So Coach Momo focuses on communication in order for them to have a ball rotation. Kasi nga kanina pa medyo walang communication.
Yes.
Ang NCF Tigers nahihirapan makapag-penetrate ng shooting and also may mga ball losses din sila kanina.
Ayan nga, Aljon, for our halftime analysis, marami dito ang total field goals ng ating Annunciation Panthers as well as the offensive rebounds na grabe naman talaga yung naging tulong sa kanila. Yung mga second point attempt nila. Pero when it comes to turnovers, napakarami ang nai-record dito sa side ng NCF Tigers na dapat yun ang kanilang pagtuunan ng pansin. Bawasan yung turnovers nila for this quarter. And now, on the side of the Panthers,
Fajardo And that's good.
Now, ball possession. Papasok muli dito sa NCF Tigers sila Guades at Malyapre. Ball possession of the Tigers. Guades. Hanapin dito si Montalvo. Munti ka nang mawala yung bola. Medyo nahihirapan pa rin dito sila sa ritmo.
Batos. Nakuha ang bola. Almenye. Signaling for a play. Pass to Fajardo. And that's good for 2.
Grabe, napakaganda ng mga jump shot dyan ni Fajardo. Grabe, itong third quarter nito, binigyan ng kulay ng ating Annunciation Panthers. It's 44-59. Grabe, yung performance na pinapakita dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kung kaya't nahihirapan ang ating NCF Tigers to get a point here.
And also, NCF Tigers are really trying their best. Nakakashoot naman sila. Pero talagang in terms of speed and shooting, kilala dyan ang Panthers. Kaya hindi talaga nakaka-penetrate ang Tigers.
Napakaganda ng relationship between the players dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Napakaganda ng pinapakita nilang communication sa loob ng hardcourt. And grabe, napakaswabe lang ng mga galaw nila. But as for the side of the Tigers, konting galaw or konting, kasi nakikita mo super pressured na sila ngayon. It's because of the lead by the Annunciation Panthers, and of course they are the defending champions, so they need to show the people that they really want it. And I think this third quarter will be the basis kung ano nga ba mangyayari sa ating fourth quarter.
And the NCF supporters, their hope is really high for this quarter.
Now, Palahe on the side of the Tigers. Still ball possession ng ating NCF Tigers. Guades again, maglalabas ng bola. There was a foul called here.
Sabio got that foul.
Guades ulit ang maglalabas ng bola. Malyapre. What will they do? Brito tries for a 3. That's good.
And yun yung inaantay natin din, ang outside shooting ng NCF Tigers.
Still, a 12-point lead on the side of the Panthers. Now Guades. They need to find their rhythm here. Guades again. Palahe. Binluan. That's good for the jump shot. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 47 or 49-59 sa ating talaan with 5 minutes and 43 seconds remaining.
So, Tin, nakikita natin, meron na silang rhythm, Tin.
Ayan nga, Aljon. Padami na ng padami ang ating live viewers dito sa loob ng ATENEO GYMNASIUM. And of course, shoutout naman natin si Jan Rosales na nanonood.
Shoutout kay Jan Basales ng One Media TV 48 Naga.
And of course,
thank you so much for watching.
Shoutout naman tayo dito kay Zeus Blanco, Archie Furing Dumagtoy at kay G. Olanyo Malakilya na nanonood sa atin ng live sa Bucal Facebook page. Thank you so much. Let's see anong gagawin ng Tigers ngayon with that 10-point lead. of the Panthers, Matos.
Matos. May dala ng bola.
Yan nga tatawagan ng foul dito si Guades.
A free throw granted for the Panthers. No good for Sabio. Another free throw for Sabio. No good again.
Nagkakagawan pa ng bola. Again, there was a foul called here. So this would be the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Guades again to inbound. Malyapre, team captain. They're taking their time here. Binluan, may hawak ng bola. Guades for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Now,
Bola ng Panthers ngayon. Bustillo, pass to Matos. Balik kay Bustillo. Matos to Salvacion. That's good!
now, Tigers. Kailangan humabol dito. Malyapre. For a fadeaway jump shot, no good. Brito was there for a second attempt. That's good this time. Matos. Small but terrible team captain of the Panthers.
Salvacion. No good.
Na nagmamadali dito ang Tigers. Brito. Didiretso sa loob. A layup coming from him. Sabio. A steal for the Tigers. Guades. Didiretso. Wala yan. Pero mapupunta ang bola sa Annunciation Panthers. Masinas will go back on the side of the NCF Tigers now.
We're seeing that NCF Tigers are now developing their rhythm.
Yes.
For our third quarter, they have to be consistent in building their rhythm. Kasi we're very close to the last quarter.
Mahaba-haba pa yan, Ajan. So let's see if makakahabol nga ba dito ang ating NCF Tigers or will the Annunciation stay on the top for this matchup?
Yeah, good. Almenie.
What a great pass coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers and a big three coming from Almenie. Now Guades. Babawi ba dito ang Tigers? Masinas. Nahanap ng mapapasaan. Malyapre. 5 seconds to shoot. Ball possession na ngayon ng ating Panthers.
Fajardo may hawak ng bola. Passes to Manalastas. Balik kay Manalastas for 3. No good.
Offensive rebound. Pero mapupunta ang bola sa ating NCF Tigers. The Tigers need more play here. Napakaganda ng communication on the side of the Panthers. Now, Masinas. Kanino niya kaya ipapasa? But there was a foul called here. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Fajardo.
Another foul on the side of the Panthers. Madami na nga silang nakukuhang foul.
Now ball possession again of the Panthers. Still, we can feel the rhythm on the side of the Tigers. Now, Sablaon with 2 inbound. Now, Masinas. Back to Sablaon. Sablaon di diretso. Again, Masinas. Tries for 3, no good. Offensive rebound para kay Brito. Wala pa rin. But the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. They only have 14 seconds to shoot. Montalvo papasok muli para sa NCF Tigers.
NCF to inbound.
Guades. Two minutes remaining in our third quarter. 53-64. 11-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Now Guades. Passes the ball to Masinas. Papasok sa loob for that layup. No good. A second time attempt para dito kay Guades. That's good. Now,
Manlapas. May dalan lang bola. No good.
now, Brito nagmamadali. Montalvo. Pero may foul na itatawag dyan. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Hanoras ng Annunciation Panthers. Montalvo will be on the free throw line for 2 shot. That's good for his first attempt. Walo na lamang ang hinahabol nila dito. He will try again for the second time. A minute and 27 seconds remaining on our third quarter. No good for that last free throw.
Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Manlapa signaling for a play. For 3. No good.
Brito with that rebound. Now, time to get a point here. Whoa! What a good shot coming from Brito. Naibaba na nga sa 6 with 58 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter or third quarter rather. Another 3 for Salvacion. Now, Tigers, babawi nga ba? Masinas may hawak ngayon ng bola. Napakaganda.
Another foul 10 on the side of the Panthers.
Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita dito ng Annunciation Panthers. With that last 3 coming from them, 58-67.
At nasa loob na nga si Matos.
Now Matos. Team captain. Pass to Alminye. Peregrino now. There's a block by Brito.
Balik kay Matos for 3.
No good. Guadas now with the ball possession. Masinas, 8 seconds remaining. No good, Matos with that rebound. Honoras! And that's it! Natapos na nga po ang ating third quarter, 60-67. Lamang po ng 7 ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating last and fourth quarter. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we're back here live at the ATENEO GYMNASIUM, live on our live stream, Oragon Sports TV, Bucal, and One Media YouTube channel.
No, Aljon, as you can see, nasa top pa rin ang ating Annunciation Panthers with that 7-point lead. Now we are now going to enter our last and fourth quarter.
And will the NCF snatch this win against Panthers, or will Panthers succeed against NCF?
And stepping on the line, so ball possession again of the NCF Tigers. Sablaon. Masinas, no good.
Matos, may dala ng bola. For 3. No good. Fajardo.
Wala pa rin. Still ball possession of the Panthers here. Matos for a jump shot. That's good. Ball possession of the NCF. Masinas. They are taking their time here. Sablaon on the corner for Brito. No good. Now chance for the Panthers to make the lead wider. Sabio.
Sabio tries, no good.
Goddess now. Papasok sa loob. Wala pa rin. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Dean and Alton. We are now on the last quarter of this game and the Tigers are still eager to get this game. Tuloy-tuloy nga ang kanilang sipag para makuha ang game na ito. They really need to have a team chemistry this quarter at kailangan pang pag-igtingin ang opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa. They are reminded also to give their all because this is their last chance to get their second win this season. Will the Tigers successfully get their second win? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So Coach Momo remind the Tigers to really focus on their chemistry because that's the thing that they've been holding on for years, and also focus on their defense and offense and give their all team kasi this is the last and fourth quarter.
At yan naman, Aljon, para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. The third quarter ended in favor of the Panthers. One word, sacrifice, sabi ni Coach Ron sa kanyang mga players during their third quarter huddle. They were instructed to change strategy whenever the opponent changes their defense and was told to display full screens throughout the game. Adjustments have been made both in their offense and defense plays because they are still in full determination to have a wider gap. Kaya patuloy natin silang subaybayan kung sila nga ba mag-awat hanggang sa uli. Back to you, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Rain. So I'm seeing that the Panthers are really sacrificing their all, their strength, in order to get a point every opportunity. And also, I'd like how they adjust on the third quarter up until fourth quarter. Talaga nag-a-adjust sila para makapuntos against the Tigers.
Yes, and we can really see that napakaganda nung connection ng mga players dito. Fajardo, no good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. But now, Almiñe will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
And that's good for the Panthers. And another for Almeñe.
Now ball possession of the Tigers here. An 11-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Ariate passes to Montalvo. Montalvo ngayon may hawak ng bola. Going on the inside, no good. Palahe was there. Wala pa rin. They will try for the third time. Matos.
Matos may dala ng bola. And nag-pass. No good.
Napakaganda sanang pasa yun ni Matos. And again, Almiñe will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good.
Another basket for Almeñe.
Now, Tigers. I think this would be the biggest lead of the Panthers. A 13-point lead. Ariate now. Passes to Palahe. But there was a traveling violation. Called by Palahe. So another turnover on the side of the Tigers. Again, this matchup is on the side of the Panthers now. 6 minutes, 59 seconds remaining. A 13-point lead coming from the Panthers. Matos with dip 3, no good. Malyapre. Katamora. Wala din.
Matos, may dala ng bola. Pasa Salvacion, balik kay Matos.
Wow!
Sabio.
Napakagandang pasada yun mula sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. 60-17-5. 15-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium and live on our live stream, Oragon Sports TV, Bucal, and our live stream on YouTube.
Now, ball possession of the Tigers. Hinahabol nila ang 15-point lead ng Panthers. Now, Ariate with the ball. Taking their time here. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ariate, papasok sa loob. Wala yan. Fajardo with that rebound. Pero still, mapupunta ang bola sa ating Panthers. Alminya now, passes to Matos.
Matos, may dala ng bola.
No good for that jump shot. Katamora now. Trying to get a point here. Fernandez. And that's an offensive foul given to Malyapre. Again, ball possession of the Panthers. They can make this lead wider. Matos.
Matos, may dala ng bola.
Alminya for 3, no
No
good.
good.
Brito, didiretso. Wala pa rin. Second attempt. That's good for Fernandez. Matos again. Hanap dito ng mapapasahan. But there was a foul called here.
A foul.
Tawagan nga ng foul dito si Fernandez. Fajardo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining.
That's good for Fajardo. And another basket.
Masinas. Handling the ball. Sablaon tries for 3. No good. Pero ball possession na yan ngayon ng ating Panthers.
Sabio. Naghahanap ng papasahan.
But still, ball possession ng Panthers. Another timeout called by the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 62-77 with 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium. 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter.
Now, if ever makuha ng Annunciation Panthers ang panalong to, this would be their 3 wins. Sunod-sunod na panalo ang kanilang nakukuha for the season of Bucal. A great achievement for them. Now, Masinas. Still nahihirapan dito ang ating NCF Tigers. There was a foul called here to Alminye. Grabe yung pinakitang performance dito ng ating Panthers. Now, Brito to go inside. Still for the Panthers, Matos. But it will stay on their side.
Salvacion may hawak ng bola. Pasa kay Almenye. Matos for 3.
And that's good! Big 3 coming from Matos. Team captain ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Napalaki na nga ang kalamangan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers with that 3-point coming from Matos. Napakaganda nun. This time, another free throw coming from Alminye. That's good for his first attempt.
Another basket for Panthers. Pasok si Bustillo Tin.
Yan, Aljon. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari sa loob nitong 3 minutes and 19 seconds? Makakahabol nga ba ang NCF o tuluyan ang makukuha ng Annunciation Panthers ang kanilang pangatlong panalo for this season of Bucal?
Alam mo, Tin, it's very hard to say. Kasi talaga namang ang Panthers hindi na nagpapapigil. And for the NCF Tigers, they have to go through a very difficult situation here in order for them to win this match.
Now, ball possession of the Tigers. Still, it will stay on their side. 64-84. A 20-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Ito na yung pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Annunciation Panthers recorded on this matchup. And grabe, yung pagbabalik dito ng Annunciation Panthers. If ever, this would be the first time that NCF will be lost.
That's routine. Bostillo passes to Matos for 3. Kapos.
Another foul was called. Now Ariate. Wala pa rin. You know what, Aljon? From the start of the Bucal Season 5, you can really see that this isn't the NCF Tigers that we've watched from the last season. So I think kailangan pa nila ng plano kung paano ba sila gagawa ng laro sa loob ng hardcourt. But as for the Annunciation Panthers, from the last season, grabe, umarangkada itong kuponan na ito.
Their improvements is really worth commendable. Coming up against the defending champion, and we are last 2 minutes for our 4th quarter.
Yes. Now Matos again with the ball possession. Fajardo, 5 seconds to shoot. A jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound, but still from the side of the Tigers. But there was a whistled foul here. A minute and 36 seconds remaining para sa match-up ng ating NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers. A 20-point lead. Grabe tong Annunciation Panthers na to for this season of Bucal. Grabe yung determinasyon at dedikasyon when it comes to playing basketball. Now, Fernandez. Montalvo. Jump shot, no good. Rebound yan ng Panthers.
And a free throw for the Panthers. And a basket.
Now, Tigers. Montalvo. Passes on the corner. Nahihirapan sa depensa ng Panthers dyan. But still, a foul was called. Layosa will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good.
You know what, Tin? Lumalaban naman talagang NCF Tigers, but the Panthers will be able to actually penetrate starting pa lang ng first quarter. Naunahan sila. That's why yung lamang talaga hindi na bababa sa 10, or kung mababa man, nababawi talaga ito ng Panthers.
Oo. Napakaganda nga kasi yung naging simula dito ng ating Panthers. I think yung isa sa mga reason dito ng NCF Tigers is mostly bago yung kanilang mga players. Siguro kulang lang sila sa connection. But still, a great play game para dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. I think we can feel it. With that 52 seconds remaining, the Annunciation Panthers really shows us how to play basketball with determination as well as dedication. Napakagandang performance coming from
that's true.
them.
I'd like also to add that I think NCF Tigers are shocked from the performance of the
Yes.
Panthers. They were shocked because we didn't expect.
Yun nga, nagkakainitan na nga dito. Malapit nang magtapos ang ating third matchup. It's 39 seconds remaining. Now Guades on the free throw line. Shoutout kay Maris Alianza at kay Yana Del Monte. Hope you're having a good time today.
Yes, Yana Del Monte, I hope you're enjoying the game and enjoying our live coverage.
$66-85 with 31 seconds remaining. No good. Another point for the Annunciation Panthers. Again, back on a 20-point lead with 16 seconds remaining. I think that's it. That's it. The Annunciation Panthers got their third win for the Bucal Season 5. Again, congratulations to all the players. Napakagandang simula para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Up to the end, talagang pinakita nila kung sino nga ba talaga sila. Napakagandang performance coming from this both teams. Nagtapos nga po ang ating laro. It's 69-87. Mamaya po makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
The match has officially ended. Congratulations to the winners of this match, Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon. Now with me today is the best player of the game, brought to you by V Gallery and Museum, showcasing artworks made by local artists and the history of NCF in Naga City. Jersey number 16, with 15 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists, and 3 steals. Mr. Mark Brian Alminye. So ayan, good afternoon Mr. Alminye. Anong klaseng mindset ang itinatak mo sa'yo, especially knowing na ang makakalaban nyo ngayon ay defending champion last season?
Ginawa lang po namin ang lahat namin na makakaya po. Tapos tulong-tulong po kami para matalo po namin ang defending champion po. Yan po.
In behalf of your team, how are you feeling right now na pangatlong panalo nyo na ito?
Sobrang saya po namin kasi siyempre natalo po namin yung defending champion po. Pag-iigyan na lang po namin sa sunod po.
Talaga naman nagpakitang gilas kayo, kaya this is your chance na magpasalamat o kaya naman mag-shoutout sa mga sumusuporta sa inyo.
Salamat po sa mga team ko kasi kay Ma'am din po, sa din namin, tapos sa pamilya ko at sa...
Hey, Daddy, Dicano! Dicano! Para sa iyo ni Dicano, Daddy! Para sa iyo ni Daddy! Dicano! Dicano! Para kay Dicano po, para kay Dicano. I love you, Daddy!
Once again, jersey number 16 with 15 points, 6 rebounds, 7 steals, and 3 steals. Kaya, gaya nga ng sabi ko, may mga sunod pa silang laro. Marami pa tayong dapat abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. This is Rain Reyes, the courtside correspondent of the Annunciation Panthers. Yan muna sa akin, back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 16, Mark Brian Alminye, with 15 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists, 3 steals. Napakagandang performance nga ang pinakita dito ng Panthers.
Talaga namang they work hard from the first quarter to fourth quarter. They go home, or rather they will go home with pride on their chest team.
Yan nga. Of course, thank you rin sa ating NCF Tigers na nagpakitang gilas din dito. At mamaya po,
may match pa tayo. USI Falcons against UNC Greyhounds. So, if may time pa kayo, visit and come here at the ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium. Kung wala naman kayong time, we have our online live stream on Facebook page at Bucal, Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and you can watch us on our YouTube channel, One Media TV 48.
ayan nga, John, abangan nyo po ang ating last game. It's the UNC Greyhounds versus the USI Falcons. Muli, ako po si Christine Alcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Aljon Sibulopogoy.
Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.